Thanks, Jerome. Now to football. A three-phase Jamaica Football Federation B-license coaching course was launched on Friday at UWI with 29 local coaches involved as the administration continues its push to upscale its coaching pool. Head of Coaching Education at the Jamaica Football Federation, Anja Peart, outlined what happens after the first phase in the course that is seen as the third highest coaching license in the region.
Then the coaches will enter a development period where they are assigned coaching educator mentors that track their progress and guide their progress. The second phase will be November 13th to the 17th, and they enter a second development period. And then the third phase will be March 18th to the 22nd. So it's across 6 months, 3 phases, 3 instructional phases where they do lessons or topics in the classroom, and then more than 50% of the course is done on the field.
Of the 29 participants, there are several of the country's Premier League and Tier 2 coaches, along with women youth coaches Tashana Vincent and Alicia James.
Some of the stuff that we learn here, it will help me a lot in my coaching environment. I am also the assistant coach of Meadowbrook High School, and we have a very young team. And some of the things that we learn will really help to improve these kids, because this is the only level of football they play, and it's sad that it's Manning Cup level, but we have to start coaching them like it's a grassroots level because of the technical ability and their football awareness.
It definitely be impactful. I've always been an advocate for coaching education. Without coaching education, we won't improve the sport in the country. So this has come at a very timely period of time, as a lot of the clubs are preparing for pre-season of the Jamaica Premier League. So it has come at a very opportune time, and all the coaches inside the course are very excited going forward to share knowledge, to collaborate and to learn, so that we can be better, so that we can improve football in the country.